Bollywood stars who never want to work together again. Deepika Padukone and Salman Khan. Deepika was offered the female lead role in Sultan and she refused to do that spontaneously. Salman Khan got angry on Deepika for this reason and never wanted to work with her. Shah Rukh Khan and Ajay Devgan. It is shocking but true. Being Kajol's husband, Ajay Devgan has a rivalry with Shah Rukh Khan. Kajol has shared a special bonding with SRK and we all know that. But the clash happened when Shah Rukh Jab Tak Hai Jaan and Ajay's Son of Sardar hit the big screen at a time. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Salman Khan. Aishwarya broke her relationship with Salman Khan and the relationship was ended with some nasty fights. Salman always insulted Aishwarya publicly. For all this reason, Aishwarya never wants to work with Salman. Kareena Kapoor and Shahid Kapoor. After breaking up with Kareena, Shahid decided not to work with Kareena again. This hit Bollywood jodi parted their way in their real and also real life. Though they both acted in Udta Punjab, but they never shared any screen together. Even in promotion, Shahid never talked to Kareena. Basically, they hate each other. Shah Rukh Khan and Aamir Khan. Shah Rukh and Aamir have no good terms. Both actors never acted in any films together. Though they pose for cameras many times, but we know that they both are competitors in Bollywood. Salman Khan and Vivek Oberoi. There is one common factor between Salman and Vivek Oberoi and that is Aishwarya Rai. For Aish, Salman slammed Vivek openly in public. From that day, Salman and Vivek became enemy and never worked again in any films. Ranbir Kapoor and Kangana Ranaut. Strange but true. Ranbir is a talented performer and Kangana is queen of her bold statements. Their silent fight took place when Rockstar and Revolver Rani got released in same date. Shahid Kapoor and Priyanka Chopra. Recently, Shahid was offered a role opposite to Priyanka in Milan Talkies and Shahid said no at first place. It is obvious that their breakup is the main reason why Shahid doesn't want to work with Priyanka anymore. Priyanka Chopra and Kareena Kapoor. Their catfight started from Aitraz. Kareena Kapoor stole the whole limelight when Priyanka was not appreciated for her negative role in that film. Even in Dawn, Kareena got all the attention. For this reason, Priyanka and Kareena never wanted to work with each other again. John Abraham and Bipasha Basu. Both John and Bipasha don't want to work with each other for obvious reason. The reason is Bipasha dumped John during their relationship. John was badly heartbroken and hates Bipasha for this reason. When John is still doing films, Bipasha is not even seen in any films for quite some years. Bipasha Basu and Kareena Kapoor. Kareena is famous for her arrogance and bad mouth. She slammed Bipasha Kali Billi. Bipasha found it insulting and got angry. After this incident, Bipasha announced that she's never going to work with Kareena again. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Sonam Kapoor. Sonam has no respect for senior actress as she labeled Ash as an auntie. Hearing Sonam's comment, Ash was really pissed off. Being a senior actress, Ash thinks Sonam should learn acting first. Their catfight was talk of the B-Town. For this reason, Aishwarya never worked with Sonam Kapoor again, even in any big-budget Bollywood film. Madhuri Dixit and Sridevi. 90s diva and star actress Madhuri and Sridevi were never casted in any films. Both are equally talented dancers and beautiful actresses. There is no doubt that both gave the tough competitions in Bollywood and for this reason Madhuri and Sridevi never wanted to work together. Karishma Kapoor and Abhishek Bachchan. Karishma and Abhishek were never seen together on screen after their engagement was broke up. After that, Abhishek never wanted to work with Karishma Kapoor. Even Bachchan family has no good term with Kapoor family. Let us know in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more updates.